Hello friends, today we're going to be talking about relationships, and this is going to be a little bit different because we're talking about relationships that exist between species in an ecosystem. Let's remember that an ecosystem is made up of communities, communities are made up of populations, and populations are made up of individuals. Now, the specific type of relationship that we're learning about is called a symbiotic relationship. This is a close relationship between two species in which at least one species benefits. Now, underneath of symbiotic relationships, we have three types: mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. Let's look at mutualism. Mutualism is a symbiotic relationship in which both species benefit. This is like a goby fish and a shrimp. The fish can move its tail to warn the shrimp when a predator approaches, and the shrimp makes a hole for the fish to swim into for safety. This is also like Beyonce and Jay-Z. Both of them benefit from having an awesome spouse that's really talented. The second type of symbiotic relationship is commensalism. This is a relationship in which only one species benefits and the other isn't really affected. This is like barnacles on a whale. The barnacles get a safe place to live and access to food, and the whales don't really care. Another example is Giselle in Enchanted. The animals don't gain anything from cleaning and running around because that's what they would normally do, but Giselle and her friends benefit from getting a clean house. The third type of symbiotic relationship is parasitism. The parasite benefits while the host is harmed, and in this case, the parasite wants the host to remain alive so that the parasite can survive. This is like when a police officer approaches a car that's been speeding. The police officer benefits from meeting his or her quota, but the driver is harmed from having a bad driving record and paying a fine. Another example of parasitism is Taylor Swift and her many relationships. She benefits from having materials for her songs, but the boys that she dates are hurt and harmed because all of their dirty laundry is aired out and they get embarrassing songs from this. And so, we have three types of relationships under symbiotic relationships: mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism.